Hello guys, my name is Simon as you all know. So today topics will be changing column width and merging and centering cells and formatting numbers. So today we will be covering two topics. How do we change the width and how do we merge and center our cells and the formatting of these numbers. So as you can see my Excel sheet I have prepared. So now let's get begin working. So as you see on A1 cell, I've written monthly expenses. This is written in cell A1, but as you can see, it extended to the cell B column. So change column widths by completing the following steps. Position the mouse pointer in the column header on the boundary line between columns A and B until the pointer turns into a double-headed arrow pointing left and right. So you will notice this one thing. This is my cell pointer. Now when I move it in between the A and B, it turns into double-headed arrow pointing left and right. So just double click the left mouse button. So you see it automatically adjusts the width of the column. Position the mouse pointer in the column header on the boundary line between columns E and F and then double click the left mouse button. See, now position the mouse pointer in the column header on the boundary line between F and G and then double click it. Now we will be using merge center cells by completing the following steps. So select the range A1 through C1. Now you will click the merge and center button in the alignment group on the home tab. So I'll click the button. So you see it automatically merge it and center the data in the cell. Select the range A2 through C2 and click the merge and center button. So you see it how does so you see how does it works. Now select cell E1 and F1 and then click merge and center. So you see how my Excel sheet is getting better and better, and save it by clicking the save button in the quick access toolbar. So that's all for the changing column width and merging and centering. Now we will move to our next topic, that is formatting numbers. Now we will make cell B13 active and then double click the auto sum button. This inserts the total of the numbers in the range B4 through B12 and then hit the enter. Make cell C13 active and then double click the button. So Excel will insert the formula C4 through C12 and then enter. Now we will be applying the accounting format to our cells by completing the following steps. Select B4 and C4. So remember, how do we select two cells? By pressing the shift, we can select multiple cells. Now we will be clicking the accounting number format button in the number group on the home tab. So this is the accounting number format. So we will press it. So it turns into the price. But I don't want this deci I don't want these decimal points, so I will decrease decimal points so it rounds off. Now I will select B13 and C13 by pressing shift key. I can select both of this I can select both the cells, and then I will apply the counting form number format, and I don't want decimal points. This is round off numbers. Now we will apply comma format to numbers by completing the following steps. Select B5 through C12. Now as you can see, this is comma style. So I'll press it. It changes the value to be look more professional, and I don't want these zeros, so I can decrease them. So this is the decrease of decimal point, and this is the increase of decimal points. You see how can I increase it and how can I decrease it. Now we will apply the percentage format to numbers by completing the following steps. Select the range F3 to F9, hit the percentage button. You see how it changes, and as compare before, my sheet looks more better, more professional. So you can also practice and work on Excel, try new skills, get skills. So guys, that's it for now, today's lecture. So we have covered the part 1 of Excel, in which we discuss the creating a worksheet, the basics of Excel sheet, creating and saving a workbook, editing data in a cell, and inserting data in cells with autocorrect and autocomplete, inserting data in cells with the fill handle, adding values with autosum button, inserting average and function, and copying a formula relatively. And today's topic was changing column widths and merging and centering it, and formatting numbers. I hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe my channel, share it with others because sharing is caring, and you have a wonderful day. Try to practice this. Make your own data, make your own sheet, whatever you want to put. You can apply these method, filters, everything to get your Excel sheet in a professional way. So see you in next lecture, and do practice. If you don't understand anything, just let me know through the comment, through your comment below in the comment section box. I'll be glad to answer your questions. So take care, and do hit the bell icon button so you can get updates about my lectures. Thank you. Bye bye.